Imagine a kitchen where every dish turns out perfectly cooked, every tool is designed to last, and cleanup feels like a breeze. This Carote 13-piece kitchen pots and pans set non-stick is more than just cookware. It's a transformative experience for home cooks and professionals alike. Crafted with precision and designed for durability, this set blends functionality with elegance. From quick weekday meals to elaborate weekend feasts, Carote equips you with the tools to unleash your culinary creativity. With features like ultra-nonstick surfaces, rapid and even heating, and a commitment to safe, chemical-free cooking, this cookware set is your trusted partner for years of flavorful adventures in the kitchen. Why Carote cookware stands out? Comprehensive set of kitchen essentials. This 13-piece set includes frying pans, 6-inch and 9-inch pans, perfect for sautéing and frying. Eggpan, ideal for quick breakfasts. 1.6-quart saucepan with lid, great for simmering sauces and gravies. 4.5-quart casserole with lid, perfect for stews and casseroles. 3-quart sauté pan with lid, a versatile option for braising and searing. 4 pan protectors, keep your cookware scratch-free and well-maintained. No matter the dish, Carote has you covered. Number 2. Long-lasting durability. Built with reinforced die-cast aluminum, this set resists wear and tear, making it a reliable companion in your kitchen for years to come. Whether you're using it daily or for special occasions, the durability ensures consistent results every time. Number 3. Safe and healthy cooking. Carote's cookware is free of PFOA and PFOS, ensuring that you can cook without worrying about harmful chemicals. The non-toxic design promotes a healthier lifestyle while maintaining optimal cooking performance. Number 4. Ultra-nonstick surface. Say goodbye to stuck-on food and tedious cleaning. Carote's ultra-nonstick surface allows for effortless cooking and even easier cleaning. A single wipe is often enough to leave your pans spotless. Key benefits for everyday cooking. Even and rapid heating. The die-cast aluminum body distributes heat quickly and evenly, eliminating hot spots. Whether you're boiling, braising, or reheating, you'll enjoy perfectly cooked meals every time. Fuss-free maintenance. Cleaning up after cooking has never been easier. The non-stick surface ensures that food slides right off, while the durable construction prevents scratches and damage. It's even dishwasher safe for added convenience. Stylish and functional design. The taupe finish not only adds elegance to your kitchen, but also provides a high level of scratch resistance. It's the perfect blend of form and function. Why choose Carote? Rigorous quality checks. Each Carote cookware piece undergoes a strict multi-inspection process to ensure top-notch quality. The brand stands behind its products with a 12-month warranty, so you can buy with confidence. Trusted by millions, with thousands of satisfied customers worldwide, Carote has established itself as a leader in kitchenware innovation. Their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction sets them apart from competitors. Who is this cookware set for? Home cooks, looking for a reliable, versatile set to tackle everyday meals. Health-conscious individuals, wanting to cook without harmful chemicals. Busy families, needing cookware that's easy to clean and maintain. Stylish kitchens, adding a touch of modern elegance with taupe cookware. Whether you're whipping up a quick breakfast or hosting a dinner party, the Carote 13-piece non-stick cookware set is a game-changer. Why choose Carote 13-piece kitchen pots and pans set non-stick? Versatility. Use the cookware on gas, electric, ceramic, or induction stovetops. Durability. Designed to withstand frequent use without losing performance. Ease of use. Lightweight and ergonomic handles for comfortable cooking. Safety. Free from harmful chemicals for peace of mind. Warranty. Backed by a 12-month guarantee for a worry-free purchase. Conclusion. Elevate your cooking game with Carote. The Carote 13-piece kitchen pots and pan set non-stick is not just another cookware collection, it's a complete solution for modern kitchens. Offering unparalleled durability, effortless cleaning, and consistent performance, Carote stands out as a premium choice for anyone who values quality and convenience. Its sleek taupe design complements any kitchen aesthetic, while its non-toxic PFOA and PFOS-free materials ensure healthy and worry-free cooking. Whether you're a busy parent, an aspiring chef, or someone who simply loves cooking, Carote's cookware promises to elevate your culinary journey. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.